Okay, so this is where we can see how to use the English journal. So you can try to insert a text box on any page, and you can put your name here, and then you can go here and you can put maybe a photo. You can upload an image, so you can go upload image from computer or from your photos. Have I got any? Maybe this one. And then that photo is uploaded. Okay, and then you can put anything you like here, and not all in one day, but step by step. And then you can type inside there, you know, Teacher Lance, Teacher Lance. I don't know, what's that? What do you want to put here? That's just the instructions. So you can put, you know, who are we? We can say about, and then we have Teacher Lance and student Darby. So I'll put myself on the bottom. Like that, I can just move things around easily. And then you can put yourself here, text box, you see. So you can just select text box, and then you can just insert text straight onto that. Where did that go? There it is. I'm going to put some lines around it. There's a lines here too. Now you can go inside here and you can put Darby. Miss Darby, how do you want to be called? Here's your name. Student on top of teacher, or teacher on top of student. Should be student on top of teacher, I think. Then you just get your image and you can insert it there, easy enough. And then here, this is where you can, new words that I learned, right? So when you read, when you are reading those readings that I sent you the link, and probably it's too difficult, right? Year 12 is too difficult, I know already. So you can start lower, but here you put a new word. So I don't know, what's a new word for you? Wow, your vocabulary actually very good, Darby. But maybe something like economic theory, macroeconomics, macroeconomic geopolitics. How's that? Do you know that word? Geopolitics. Yeah. Should be familiar, but that would be an interesting thing to research, don't you think? So you could put a topic there. Geopolitics. Okay, you got the idea now? And then you can put the definition here, so you can go search for definition if you like. So definition, geopolitics. So you just get your definitions. What is that? Okay, so there's your noun. You can listen to it. And then you could copy the meaning. International relations as influenced by geographical features. That's geographical. You're interested in more than geographical, aren't you? So you would need to go a bit further afield. So what I think you can use is something called Easy Wikipedia. This is for English learners. Simple Wikipedia, that's what it's called. Simple Wikipedia. I'll put the link here. Not the right place, sorry. I'll put it down somewhere else here, maybe, I don't know. Where do you want to put it? Yeah, okay, fine. That's good. Just put it there, and I'm going to make it a lot smaller So I can make it smaller like that. But now if I go there to that site, I can find something more interesting. So I search Wikipedia and I can call it, what are we looking for? Geopolitics. So this is an example of what you can do, right? So geopolitics is a study how it comes, effect is comes from its word geo, So it's some examples. All right, so this gives you a little bit more. This gives you a little bit more explanation, but this is not, full research yet. This is just simple research. Sorry about that, too much here. So that's because it's so big right now. So let's drop it down to size 11. Select all. Select all, and then I'm going to put it, okay, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Wow. Okay. So this is your section of new words. So what we can do is put this on its own page, okay? So we can copy the page, and then we can do that, and then we can remove this. Okay, and then we can remove this, and then we can say that this section is your new words section of your journal. Now we can go here, and we can delete that. Then we can have one page, one or two pages per new word. And you can, this is a source, so we can always probably keep the source if you like. There, like that. Just drop the size down. That's it. Okay, so I'll stop the recording there.